Today we are going to learn about phonic drill of A. Add, and, at words. A, D, add. A says A, D says D. When A and D join together, it sounds like add. B, add, bad. L, add, lad. D, add, dad. S, add, sad. P, add, pad. A, an. A says A, N says N. An. Let us see ending words of an. K, an, can. V, an, van. B, an, ban. P, an, pan. An, fan. A, T, at. A says A, T says T. At, at. R,